Hey guys, today we are going to see how to set up toolkit for data science project. At first, open your browser, type Anaconda install and press enter. Now click on the first link. Here click on download option. Now you can choose according to your operating system. As you can see, I have already downloaded. Now click to open. Click next. Click I agree. Click next. Click on next option. Click on install. As you can see, now it is completed. Click on next. Click next. Click finish option. Now if you want to open Anaconda, type window search Anaconda navigator, press enter. Now it is opening. Here you can see that Anaconda navigator is installed. From here you can launch the Jupyter notebook. Click on launch option. This will open the Jupyter notebook in local browser. I am going to create a new file, Python 3 print hello world. Press Ctrl Enter to run. Now you can see that we have successfully installed Anaconda and Jupyter notebook. This is for today. Thank you. Jai Hind.